So I was making this door for it's just out of stuff I had kicking around here for uh, for an old microwave. Um, I gutted the thing out, and I'm not really interested in the parts as much as just repurposing and upcycling an old microwave, some kind of a storage cabinet. And so there's the door, and there's a little handle I made. All right, just out of real wood. And I thought this would be a good little video to just talk about this little detail here. So, you know, um, as you saw in the picture earlier, there's a handle. You can kind of put it that way, right? Or you can take your handle and put it that way. But what what's like what is art? And first of all, there's a bit of a detail there. I didn't wish to hide it all. I just wanted to get a coat of paint on here, and it's just a door for an old microwave. And so I thought that see, by placing the handle like that, working with the natural kind of shape of this wood, and it takes your attention away from that little detail there, an old knot in the wood. So I thought that would look pretty cool, like on an angle like that. So that is, something I just thought of in the moment here. What is art? And when you're working with natural stuff, you just gotta play around with it a bit, like that or like that. It just, yeah, that's kind of standard there, or something just like this, but that that is something that actually looks kind of artful.